How's it going, guys? This is Victor with the BOB trading team. So today was a smooth day of trading. We traded ticker SOPA. It's still going up right now, but I'm done trading for the day. So I want to go ahead and make this video and just show you guys what we looked at and how we picked this stock. So if you see, currently it's at $11.27. This might be off a little bit just because this is paper trading and I don't have real-time data. Oh, I do. So actually, no, it's at $11.27. I think it's halted. But if you look, this stock went from $4.52 up to $11.27, which is a crazy move. That's like $6 a share. So we've already explained how we find these stocks, but let's go ahead and explain it one more time really quickly. So we go to Benzinga pre-market movers at about 8:30 a.m. It'll give you a list of the top stocks trending right now. We like to look at the top 3 to 4 stocks. Usually one of these 4 stocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, will be the stock of the day. So today it was between CANF, BRG, SOPA, and VRS. So let's explain why we picked SOPA. So CANF, when we seen it, it was at, give me 1 second, let me open my notebook. When I seen CANF today, it was at $2.14. I will no longer be trading stocks under $4 just because they don't move correctly. I've made videos about that, and sometimes I break my own rules and do it, but I will no longer be doing that. So this stock was at under $4, so I crossed CANF off. Next, we have BRG, which was at like number 5 when I seen it, but it was at like $13. I will no longer be trading stocks over $9. So it was at 13, now it's at 20. No, I think it was at, actually, no, it was at like 22 or something like that. But basically, I don't trade stocks over $9 and I don't trade stocks under $4. So I crossed off BRG because it's $26 now. And then we have VRS, which is also $26. So I crossed that off. Next, we have SOPA, which was at $4.54 when I first seen it. So I want to look at the total float, which was 9 million shares. That's under 30 million shares. We like to trade stocks under 30 million shares. So that's a good sign right there. Next, I want to look and see if they have a news catalyst, which they did. Here's the news catalyst right here. You can go look at it yourself if you want to. And they were doing crazy volume. If we go back to Thinkorswim now, move that out the way. Sorry, it's keep popping up. It's going to keep popping up, isn't it? Give me 1 second. It's going to keep popping up because this is recording is on. So give me 1 second. Right now it's currently at 68 million shares traded, which is a great sign. This stock has the potential to go up to probably $30 today, which is actually really crazy. So let's go back and talk about what we need to talk about though. Sorry, give me 1 second. Okay, so it was a low flow stock trading on crazy volume. And if we look at the 5-minute chart, we see it right here. We usually turn the computer on about 8 o'clock. So if we go to 8 o'clock, which is right here, it was downtrending. But it just had this crazy move at 4:15 a.m. So it made me pay extra attention to it. Next, we get this slight run right here from at about 8:45 a.m. You could have pre-marketed right here, which is what I did. And then it dipped down right before the bell opened. I sold the shares that I did have, and then I repurchased the shares intraday. So I will also no longer be pre-marketing because pre-marketing, it cost me a lot of money today. It was a green day, but it could have been a much better day. The best moves happen intraday, so I'm actually willing to miss out at pre-market because the pre-market moves aren't that great. Like if you look at this one, it went from $4.37 up to $4.87. 87 cents, which is a cool move, but compared to this stock going from $4.53 up to $12.49, it is nowhere near a great move. So I got back in over the break of this yellow line, which is the 9 EMA line, with great momentum. It was green on the MACD and the TTM squeeze, and I rode the wave up pretty well. I sold looking at this, I sold much too early, but you can never know if it's going to do something like that or not. But I ended up selling somewhere around the $7, $8 mark, which was great profit, great percentage move. It came back down, and maybe if I was still looking, and if you would have missed this move, a bounce off the 9 EMA, which is this yellow line right here, would have been a great entry price for someone. Let me see if we have anything else to mention. That's pretty much it. So we like to look for low flow stocks doing great volume. Hopefully they have a news catalyst that makes it even better. And I will no longer be pre-marketing. That's just, it works better for me when I don't pre-market. You feel free to do what works best for you. I just wanted to give you my 2 cents and my advice. The best moves happen intraday. This pre-market move right here had me, well, I sold my shares because it broke my stop loss and I had to get rid of them. And then it continued intraday to start rallying up higher. So if I would have just been more patient and waited for the intraday move, it would have been maybe a $6,000-$7,000 day. So I will go ahead and end this video now. Feel free to leave comments or messages if you have any questions, and we'll try to get back to you. There will also be a link in the bottom of this video that will take you to our course where you can buy the BOB trading course. It explains the strategies that we use to make money in the market and how we go about doing that. Also, please subscribe and like the video. It helps us out a lot on Instagram. Thank you. Oh no, it helps us out a lot on YouTube. Sorry, we have so many platforms now. Please like and subscribe.